This video is going to show you how to make your own homemade derailleur hanger alignment tool for less than $20, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Tyler. Maybe you're like me and you find that your derailleur is bent, but you don't have the tool to bend it back into alignment. When shopping online, you'll find that the prices for this tool range from $50 to $80, and that just seems like a lot of money for a tool you're only going to use once in a while. So instead, I made a trip to the hardware store and bought some supplies to make a homemade derailleur alignment tool of my own. Here's some of the parts you're going to need for this project. Got myself an 1-inch square tubing. You probably could get away with using a 3/4 inch, well, 1mm pitch threaded 10mm bolt, some matching nuts, and washers. Now I'm going to use a hacksaw to cut the tubing to the right size. Also a drill with a 3/8 inch bit and some wrenches. At first I'm going to cut the tubing down to about a 16-inch length. Alright, now I'm going to use the hacksaw to cut the tubing to the correct length, 16 inches. Go ahead and use a file to dull down the edges a bit. Alright, now I'm going to use the 3/8 inch bit to drill a hole through the tubing. Now I want to try to drill close as I can to a 90-degree angle because that is how the tool works. So if you have access to a drill press, you're better off to use one, but I'm going to just have my drill here that I'm going to use. Always wear your safety glasses. Ooh. Okay, this is where I wanted to make sure I get a good 90-degree angle. Alright, first let's put a washer on. Put this through. Twist. And then we'll put another washer on. And 2 nuts. Alright, we'll put the second nut on too. So it's giving me just that little bit that'll screw in to the derailleur. I'm sorry, derailleur hanger. So I need to tighten these first couple bolts. It'd be a lot easier if you had this 10mm spanner, but for some reason I could not find mine right now. Let's see, but it spins. And that's what we want it to do. Alright. Probably can't see it on this camera. It gives us just about 5mm of threads. Now we probably could have got a little bit longer on here, but it should be enough to when we screw on, it has enough leverage and bites enough. Can you see in there? To where we can bend the derailleur on the bite. Now that we put this together, we're able to fix any bent derailleur. If you want to see how this thing works, click on this video up here. I really appreciate you watching the video, and if you found it helpful, please hit the like button. Go ahead and check out some more of my other videos and consider subscribing. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.